A standard off-the-shelf rack can meet the needs of ordinary data centers. But here at the leading edge, you need racks optimized for your business. And you don't have time and money to lose customizing and modifying your enclosures one by one. That's why we're introducing NetShelter Configurable Enclosures. Get exactly the enclosure you need, fast. Choose your components, size, or have your own design engineered to order with available US manufacturing. Your enclosure arrives at your door fast and ready to deploy. Backed by a dedicated engineering team and proven APC quality, reliability, and solution compatibility. NetShelter Configurable Enclosures. Fast, flexible, and proven. Ready to start building yours? Talk to your APC representative or visit www.apc.com/configuremyrack.